right, my people, welcome to the adventure as we have now kicked it off. We just left the boat ramp over here by Boca Grande. Let me tell you, Boca Grande is beyond amazing. I want to just show you guys a little bit of Boca, see what it looks like, see the sandbars, the old railway. I'll throw up the drone so you guys can get an amazing view. We're gonna check out the spot, we're gonna hit a sandbar or two, and of course, you guys get to join us on this adventure to tag along with me here on Obi Ski TV. So appreciate you guys. Let's go. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts on Boca Grande. And here's one thing that I want you to know. This is just one island here. Like, we just did a quick pit stop here. We showed you some sandbars, you know, the old rail. Like, there's so many cool spots here. They have boat bashers. They have so much stuff out here. If you have not been to Boca Grande, I would highly encourage you to come down. My favorite thing to do is to come on a day where it's empty like this, where you get to just enjoy the beauty that it is. But don't get me wrong, the parties are amazing as well. So Boca Grande, listen, it's been fun. It's been amazing. We had a good time. It's time to roll. The boys are wrapping up. We're gonna head on out. We're gonna throw the stuff back into the skis and we're gonna go. Hope you guys are loving the video so far. Oh, not so fast. Now that we are signing off, really appreciate you guys tuning in. Let me introduce you guys to the gentleman that joined the ride. We got Elliot. Say what's up to the people.
What's up, people?
This man, if you want to thank somebody for those aerial shots, thank this man right here, right?
It's fun, man.
Appreciate you, bro. Of course, Ed. Willie the other one. Look at that, bro. Appreciate you guys for coming along. This was an unbelievable experience, great adventure. We got to visit beautiful places, amazing sandbars. Please make sure you guys tune in because we have a lot more adventures to come. All right, now I'm really checking out. Appreciate you guys. Tune into the next one. Obi Ski TV. Let's go.